Hi, I'm Jeff with Marcus Construction. Today I'm in Nashua, Minnesota. We had a new dry fertilizer storage facility that we built for Elbow Lake Co-op. Why don't you come along with me and we'll take a look at some of the great features of this building. One of the services that Marcus provided was pre-construction services, where we sat down with them, planned out this whole site using civil engineering, planned out future buildings that they want to build as they grow as a company. And now they have a plan for this entire green site that was nothing but a cornfield a year ago. One of the nice features about this facility is this cover over the receiving area. This allows you to be able to unload in the rain and the snow without being exposed to the elements. We have our standard stainless steel walk door, as you can see in the picture, as well as our light panels on both sides of the receiving, which gives you a lot of natural light into the inside of the building. You can see that we're at the receiving end of the building. If you look up towards the top of the leg, there's a big platform that the equipment company usually provides. We coordinate with that equipment company to allow access from those doors to that platform. Inside of the building, those doors lead to a catwalk that go down each side of the tripper conveyor. One of the standard features of a Marcus building is this FRP stairway, otherwise known as fiberglass. You might ask yourself, what's the big deal about having a fiberglass stairway in the outside of the building? Well, for one thing, it's fiberglass, so it holds up to the fertilizer very well and is very corrosion resistant. Another thing is it allows you, it's required by fire code, to be able to exit the building in a quick manner. So there's a stairway on the inside that comes out to this exterior door up top, and then you can exit via the stairway down. But it'll also help you with maintenance and repairs. You can drive your truck right up to the outside of the stairway and be able to bring all your tools and any other parts up the stairway directly up to the catwalk, making maintenance and repairs very easy. And as you can see, we have catwalks going down both sides of the tripper. This is great because it allows you to maintain that tripper very easily and keep your equipment up and running in tip-top condition. One of the unique features about this building is they decided they wanted to have extra storage for doing super sacks or other loaders or whatever materials they want. A lot of times what happens in fertilizer plants is they end up stacking totes along the alleyway wall here, which makes your alleyway narrower and harder for your loader to navigate through and do its job. So having this extra storage area on the other side of the alleyway gives you the ability to add a bunch of super sacks and other things that you want to store. Another typical feature of a Marcus building is our impregnation room. It comes standard with a stainless steel walk door and then an overhead door to be able to get your totes in and out of the room. Why don't we go inside and take a look and see what's in here? This particular impregnation room has enough storage for 4 totes. We have a containment area that's underneath of the totes, and then our pumps are over here that would go up into the tower. We're doing impregnation into the tower. Inside the control room, you can see that we use a vinyl wallboard instead of sheetrock. The reason we use it is it's a lot easier to install, it goes up much quicker, and it's a lot more durable than sheetrock. So there you have it. There's the new dry building at Elbow Lake Co-op in Nashua, Minnesota. Thanks for joining me today.